Applying machine learning algorithms in business analytics. Title: Applying machine learning algorithms in business analytics. Introduction. In today's data-driven world, organizations are constantly looking for ways to extract insights and gain a competitive edge. One of the most powerful tools enabling this is machine learning algorithms. Understanding machine learning algorithms. Machine learning algorithms are mathematical models that enable computers to analyze and interpret vast amounts of data without explicit programming instructions. These algorithms are designed to identify patterns, make predictions, and learn from experience. Applying machine learning algorithms in business analytics. 1. Predictive analytics. Machine learning algorithms can be employed in predictive analytics to anticipate future trends and behaviors. This allows businesses to anticipate customer preferences, forecast sales, identify potential risks, and optimize resource allocation. By analyzing large volumes of historical data, machine learning algorithms can generate accurate predictions and help organizations make informed decisions. This can ultimately lead to increased sales and customer satisfaction. 2. Fraud detection. Fraud is a significant concern for businesses across various industries. Machine learning algorithms can leverage historical data, identify patterns, and flag suspicious transactions in real time. These algorithms can learn from past fraudulent activities and continuously adapt to new fraud patterns, enabling organizations to efficiently detect and prevent fraudulent activities. Banks and financial institutions widely use machine learning algorithms for fraud detection. By analyzing customer transaction details, location data, and other variables, these algorithms can detect unusual activities and alert the concerned authorities. 3. Customer segmentation. Machine learning algorithms can segment customers based on various factors such as demographics, past behavior, purchasing patterns, or social media interactions. This segmentation allows businesses to tailor their marketing strategies, personalize customer experiences, and target specific customer groups effectively. E-commerce platforms often use machine learning algorithms to segment customers based on browsing history and previous purchase behavior. By understanding customer preferences, businesses can send targeted promotions and recommendations, thereby increasing engagement and driving sales. 4. Supply chain optimization. Managing a supply chain involves dealing with numerous variables, such as demand fluctuations, supplier delays, and transportation challenges. Machine learning algorithms can analyze historical data, predict demand patterns, and optimize inventory levels. These algorithms can also identify inefficiencies within the supply chain, recommend process improvements, and optimize logistics operations. Companies that operate in sectors like manufacturing and retail can use machine learning algorithms to optimize their supply chain operations. By accurately forecasting demand, businesses can reduce stockouts, minimize carrying costs, and improve overall operational efficiency. 5. Sentiment analysis. Understanding customer sentiment is crucial for businesses to gauge brand perception, monitor customer satisfaction, and address concerns promptly. Businesses in sectors like hospitality, telecommunications, or e-commerce can utilize sentiment analysis to assess customer feedback and sentiment towards their products or services. This can inform product improvements, customer service enhancements, and ultimately impact brand loyalty. Machine learning for text-to-text tasks. 6. Text classification. Machine learning algorithms can also be used for text classification tasks. Text classification involves categorizing documents or text data into predefined categories based on the content. This can be particularly useful in applications such as spam detection, sentiment analysis, or document classification. For instance, email service providers can employ machine learning algorithms to detect and filter spam emails by analyzing the content and identifying patterns associated with spam messages. By automatically categorizing incoming emails, machine learning algorithms can help users prioritize their inbox and reduce the risk of falling victim to phishing or fraudulent emails. 7. Natural language processing. Natural language processing, NLP, is a field of study that focuses on enabling machines to understand and process human language. Machine learning algorithms play a vital role in NLP by allowing computers to extract meaning, sentiment, or intent from textual data. Chatbots are a popular application of NLP and machine learning algorithms. By analyzing user messages, chatbots can understand user queries, provide relevant responses, and even simulate natural language conversations. This can enhance customer service experiences, automate repetitive tasks, and increase overall efficiency. 8. Image recognition. Machine learning algorithms can also be used in image recognition tasks, which involve identifying objects, patterns, or features in visual data. Image recognition has numerous applications, such as facial recognition, object detection, or autonomous driving. For example, security systems can utilize machine learning algorithms to recognize faces and grant access to authorized individuals. By comparing facial characteristics with a database of known individuals, these algorithms can enhance security measures and prevent unauthorized access. 9. Recommendation systems. Recommendation systems leverage machine learning algorithms to provide personalized recommendations to users based on their preferences, behavior, or historical data. These systems are prevalent in e-commerce platforms, streaming services, or social media platforms. For instance, online retailers use recommendation systems to suggest products to users based on their browsing history, purchase behavior, or similar user preferences. By analyzing vast amounts of data, machine learning algorithms can identify hidden patterns and recommend products that are most likely to be of interest to the user. This can boost sales, enhance user experiences, and foster customer loyalty. 10. Time series forecasting.